Since 1983, our passion has been indoor climate. We provide high-quality ventilation units that are easy to use and with which you can cut your energy costs and save money. Our areas of expertise include ventilation units with a built-in heat pump and revolutionary real estate energy management technology, which enables automatic and easy management of the building's heat loads and energy use with one system. We have delivered our solutions to the moist heat of Hong Kong, the dry and hot conditions of the Middle East, and naturally to our own Nordic home market, where the temperature varies significantly according to the season. Our mission is to help people live and work in a healthy and pleasant indoor climate.